If you're thinking about going to Turkey for your hair transplant, I would be very, very cautious. And the reason for that is because Turkey is known as a big black market for hair transplants. Most of the surgeries performed in Turkey for hair transplants are performed by hair technicians that are poorly trained, and they perform the entire surgery. So I have actually taken care of many complications of patients who went to Turkey for their hair transplant, and they came back and they had horrible results because too much hair was extracted from the back of the scalp. It caused a complication where there was a see-through issue, and I had to fix the issue. The other issue with going to Turkey is that when you go for a hair transplant, you need to be on medical therapy. You should be on medicine before the hair transplant, and you have to continue taking medicine after the hair transplant. If you're going international for a hair transplant, well, who is going to prescribe your medication? Remember, long-term success of a hair transplant is not just the hair transplant, it's the hair transplant and medical therapy. And then, of course, you can't forget that there's always a possibility that you need to do follow-up. How are you supposed to do follow-up if you're traveling thousands of miles across the world for your transplant? And side effects and complications do occur. Who is going to manage them? And the last thing to think about is that this is not a vacation. If you're traveling far away and you're trying to save money, well, remember, you're taking at least 5 days off from work to go travel. It's not a vacation. It's a surgical procedure that you're going for. So think twice before you go for a hair transplant internationally.